Planning a move in Pender County, North Carolina? Whether it's Burgaw, Hampstead, or nearby towns, moving can feel stressful. But with the right plan, it can be smooth and worry-free. Hi, this is 3 Movers, and today we're sharing quick tips for a hassle-free move in Pender County. Booking your move in advance is key. Pender County moves can involve limited parking and busy roads, so reserving trucks and crews ahead of time ensures a stress-free moving day. Use sturdy boxes, bubble wrap, and moving blankets, especially for fragile items. Label each box by room. Proper packing protects your belongings and makes unpacking faster and easier. Professional movers save time and prevent injuries. They handle heavy furniture, tight driveways, and stairs safely, ensuring all your items arrive in perfect condition. Moving in Pender County doesn't have to be overwhelming. With early planning, smart packing, and professional movers, your relocation can be smooth and stress-free. Visit 3movers.com/north-carolina/pender-county/ for a free estimate and let experienced movers handle the heavy lifting.